Okay, so we went through task 2A. We looked at it, we identified the requirements, then we went through it in little more depth, and we added some more information to help us, okay? Now, the next step to take, if you are at home and trying this at home and learning to solve a problem, is then to ask the question. For example, let's say highlight headings. This is very easy one, but you can say how to highlight headings. If this is trivial for you, okay, some people find it difficult. So bear with me, and then if you think this is trivial, it's not. Because once you understand how to solve problem, how to find the solution online, how to go and find your ways, and then you can solve any problem, any task, any spreadsheet, not just one. We're not focusing on just the fitness one. I'm trying to prepare you for anything that you can come across, that you come across, any problem you would be able to solve. So again, how to text wrap long headings in Excel, okay? Highlight headings because we are dealing with Excel now, Excel. So you see how things are now developing. Can you see how things are developing for me? So now, how to text wrap long headings. Look, I don't need to retype everything. I just copy it, and I come here, and I do how to, and text wrap long headings, again, in Excel. So again, first row must be fixed. Again, how to fix top row. First row is the top row in Excel. Can you see? Now you're getting things to resources, you're getting ideas, you're getting ways to search for your solution. Okay? All right, fine. So this one, you can do this later by yourselves, okay? You have the sheets. You can change the sheets. You can change the sheet as much as you like, as long as you access it through Teams. It's there for you. It's yours, not mine. Mine is safe. So the sheet in Teams, the whole thing on Teams is there for you. So go to Teams and try to find the sheet and try to make changes. Try to click on cells and find the formulas. Try the formula somewhere else, okay? Instead of, and you see the formulas, they give you the cells. Instead of the cell name, cell reference, cell name, you can do the cell reference. Like for here, in instance here, we can just try, the cost. This is cell D2. So I'm gonna do cell D2, okay? And click enter, see what happens. It didn't work. Why did it not work? That's the question, yeah? Okay, so let's see, why did it not work? Times, D2. Let's try this one and see if it works with both. So the next one is J2. So let's see J2. And, I know why this is not working, because of this. The brackets. So my son is here now. No, you have to go. You have to go. That's live for you, okay? That's a live recording.
I'm not lying.
No, I'm not saying live. All right, that's a live recording, guys. I'm doing it for you, okay? So you can see. Don't worry about making mistakes. Don't panic. Find the solutions and the practice at home. This is where you make this is now is changed to its original format. It's original. It's original format. So let's go back to our sheet now. So now task 2B. What do we need for task 2B? Use a function to calculate the total income for classes where the class income is 260 or more. Well, what does it mean? 260 or more, I would say, is equal or greater than or equal to 260 pounds. You good?
I need to find this.
That's fine. So So we know an indication when it says 260 or more, so it includes 260. So we have 260 or more there. And then what do we need to do? Calculate the income. Calculate the total income for classes okay, in the... Now, where do we calculate this total income? We calculate the total income in this table, okay, in the analysis sheet, in the... or just, we know we're gonna work with the analysis sheet, okay? So we need the function. Let's push this here. This will indicate for us what is the requirement or criteria for that function, and we need here to use a function. Use a function. Okay. So now, again, display the total income for all online recorded classes. Display the total income. The total income, yeah, I will. Display the total income for all online recorded classes. Okay, so again, use a function. So use a function again. So again, this is all done in the analysis worksheet. The analysis worksheet is here. So this is the imported data set worksheet for task 2B, task 2A, and the analysis worksheet is for task 2B. Okay, so use a function. For the moment, we're not doing anything there. We're not adding anything. There's no criteria.
I can't find...
Or you can say here, okay, make sure equal online recorded. Okay, so this is we're doing the calculation for all online recorded classes. Okay, and when you have, can you see the equal sign disappears? If you want it to stay, you have to have the apostrophe. You add the apostrophe at the beginning of your cell, at the beginning of your text, and then you click enter, and it remains with you. It remains there. The equal sign will remain there. So again, now formula to display the percentage. Now formula. Now use formula to display the percentage of online recorded classes, of online recorded classes, of online recorded classes. And what else? So online recorded classes is a formula. Use a formula now. Use a formula. So how do we find the percentage? You need to find the formula or the equation or the method to find a percentage. You divide the number of online recorded classes, but by the number of all classes. So you divide one by the other, and then you time it by 100 to get the percentage. So let's say equal online recorded classes divided by all classes times, okay, 100. So I would say this is just to give me an indication of what I need for later, okay? So now the next one is Claire wants to know the number of classes for each class type. Each class type, what does this mean? Each class type. So class type, each class type. This is a class type, the column class type. Each class type, Claire wants to know each class type, Claire wants to know the number of classes, okay? Number of classes booked. So, number of classes, use a function to display. So display, okay, so display the number of classes for, I'm rewording things, can you see it? Each class type. So now here I use okay, now again I will do my dots, okay, use a function, use a function. This video, this one is a bit long, but use a function for all other class types. Use a function to display this information for cardio. Use a function to display the this information. Let's do this information for cardio. That's the class type. And then we can replicate for, and then let me get that, then replicate. Now by done I know what replicate means. Okay, it's fine, replicate it for other class types. Okay, so now we have our last one. Format the monetary values to currency with 2 decimal places. Format the all monetary values, okay, to currency, to currency. So we did this in class, as you remember. So all monetary values, the cost, all, it means all. When it says all, it means all. PT cost, the class income, and then you go to analysis worksheet, and then we have the total income for classes, the total income for all online recorded classes, the total income for all classes. What are we left with? We're left with this, don't forget. And how do you do currency? You go like this and click on currency. This is a very powerful feature, or all these features are very powerful. Then you have more numbers. If you want to go beyond, you click on more and find out more. All right, I'll see you in the next video.